Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Much of the time, people use Excel to sum columns and rows of data. In fact, it occurs so frequently that Excel has included a feature called AutoSum that automatically performs a selected function, like sum, on a selected column or row of uninterrupted, meaning no blank, cells. This saves you time in creating basic formulas. So to use this feature, select the cell that's located at the end of a column or row of values that you want to add, and then simply click the AutoSum button that appears in the Function Library group on the Formulas tab within the ribbon. Excel will select a range of adjacent cells for you. Now, if Excel chose the wrong range of cells, just use your mouse to click and drag over the correct range of cells to use in the formula. Finally, click the AutoSum button again or press the Enter key on your keyboard to accept the formula. Another way to use this tool is to click and drag over the cells that are in the columns or rows which you want to add, leaving a blank cell at the end of the columns or rows where you want the answer to appear. Then just click the AutoSum button once to add the columns and rows and display the answers in the blank cell or cells that you selected. Notice that if you try to perform the AutoSum command on a cell that is at the intersection of a row and a column of numbers, AutoSum will attempt to use the data in the column versus the data in the row. Now you can intervene and change the initial selection that Excel makes if needed. Also, despite its name, the AutoSum command isn't limited to the sum function. You can click the drop-down arrow next to the AutoSum button to select a different function to perform. If the function that you want to use isn't shown, you can even select the More Functions command from the button's drop-down menu to open the Insert Function dialog box where you can choose from all of Excel's available functions.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.